can say about my experience with the e-course is that it is very challenging. At the same time, we were able to learn new things, most especially how to make a professional website through WordPress. It is very essential nowadays, knowing that the online world now poses an augmented reality in which every piece of information is now made available through the internet. More so, being able to immerse myself in the online world, I am now able to see the technological advancements on how helpful it is in reality, on how having a website can be helpful for small businesses and even larger scale. Kaya ba ito nun kahit sino? Yes, definitely. I was able to make a professional website through WordPress in just 5 days or even less than 5 days. And if you are really willing to learn, then I know that you can succeed in also making a professional website.